Eden, use Super Ultra Turbo Smash.
He wins.
No, you can't lose. Grab it.
The power key is this, then it's correct. So. He's winning.
No, you can do it. Grab it. Use all your power. Say Super Ultra Turbo Smash.
Oh, that, yeah.
Oh, you almost got it. You can do this. Come on. Come on, Eden. Come on, you can do this. Let's go. You're strong, Eden. You're strong. Are you strong?
Yes.
Did you train with me?
Yes.
Then you can do this. Say, I won't lose to you.
I won't use you. So I won't let go.
That's right. This is so intense. Come on, Eden. You can't let the doggy win. You can't let the doggy win. You can do this. Pull that doggy. Man, you're pulling her across the ground. Mama, he's pulling Freya across the ground. Man, you're strong. Eden, you're strong. You keep pulling that doggy across the ground.
I want to hear my circles.
You got both of them? Oh, you good?
I got both of them.
Alright, now you have more power than ever. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Go. Don't let the doggy move her head around like that. You move your head around like that. Come on, Eden.
I'm all done here, Yaki.
You're all done playing that?
Yay, hooray for Eden. You won.
Yes.
Now, Eden, put your hand up like that.
Here, you play with
I am
Here, you take it.
fun.
Here. Eden's the winner. Good job, Eden. High five. Alright.